In this video, I'm about to show you how to see air quality map on the iPhone weather app. First, open the app. Then select a location and then tap the map icon at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that the type of weather map displayed may vary depending on the weather conditions for the selected location. To switch between precipitation, temperature, air quality, or wind maps, tap the layers icon in the upper right corner. If you're viewing a precipitation or wind map, you can adjust the timeline by tapping near the bottom of the map. To change the duration of the timeline on a precipitation map, tap the clock icon and choose between a 12-hour forecast or a next hour forecast. Once you're done, tap Done to close the map. If you want to change the location of the weather map, go back to the weather app and view the full screen map. You can drag the map to move it, pinch it to zoom in or out, or tap the less icon in the upper right corner to select a different location. To return to your current location, tap the location arrow icon. If you'd like to add a new location, touch and hold a spot on the map, then select Add Location, View Location, or Open in Maps. When finished, tap Done to exit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.